Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Okay, and the signal I have to share for you is for NZDJPY. Okay, the New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. Okay, now this is a little bit different signal than what I normally provide, since I don't have any fresh signals on the 4-hour chart. But I picked this one. This is on a 1-hour chart right here. Okay, and we have a pretty strong signal to buy. Now, generally, a 1-hour chart is weaker than a 4-hour chart, but I want to show you something. Okay, if we go to the 4-hour chart, we have an up arrow. The price had come all the way up and then drop back down again. So eventually it's going to come back up, right? And if we look at a daily chart, we have an up arrow, right? If we look here on the weekly chart, we have an up arrow. And even the monthly chart, I believe. Well, it's not letting me load, so it doesn't matter. Weekly chart is strong enough, right? So the long-term trend is bullish. Now, it has been riding sideways for quite some time, has a lot of ups and downs. You can see it better on the daily chart right here, and even on the 4-hour chart, I believe you can see how it's been riding sideways for quite some time. Okay, but I feel that yes, this is definitely getting ready to go back up. It could drop a little bit lower. As you see here, these levels of support are right in here. I can mark that just so you can see, but we have a pretty strong level of support right here. The price could drop back down. So, you know, this is not an official buy yet, but what we need to do in this situation, this is pretty simple. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit, we're gonna draw a trend line from this point coming down. Okay, and then all you have to do is go here on the toolbar, click on draw trend line, click on right here from this candle, the wick of this candle coming down like this. Okay, and you're gonna mark these points right here, and this will be your downtrend coming down. Okay, now what we're looking for here on the 1-hour chart is for 3 candles to break above this. Okay, and then we want to buy. So that's very crucial. Okay, now once you actually place the buy trade, my recommendation is to close the trade on either a 30-minute, or you can leave it on the 1-hour. I would probably drop down to a 30-minute chart and wait for the next red arrow and then close the trade. Okay, that's very, very, very simple. Okay, so as of right this moment, do not buy, but draw your trend line, wait for 3 candles to break above on the 1-hour chart, and you will be perfectly fine. Okay, so anyhow, that's my free daily signal, New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about this particular signal or any of my Telegram signals, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, so with that said, thank you, have a wonderful day.